Daniel is a Spanish science journalist. He's happy to be at the European Parliament for the first time to participate in a storytelling in science event at the European Science Media Hub Summer School.
I expect to meet a lot of people that are passionate about communicating science and also to learn how they do it. It's very difficult to chew this knowledge and to make it understandable for the people.
For 5 days, 80 young journalists from all over the EU were invited to take part in panels with scientists, European politicians and seasoned science journalists. In addition to his role as editor at a British weekly newspaper, Alok Jha hosts a podcast on science and technology.
Often people don't have backgrounds in these subjects, and it's my job as a writer to make people interested step by step by step, because at any point if I make it too complicated they'll just stop reading. And so the technique is to sort of write something, refine, edit, get someone else to read it who's not an expert, see where their issues are, and then rewrite until they do understand it.
With this summer school, the ESMH is also seeking to combat misinformation, which is particularly prevalent in scientific subjects.
For journalists in this difficult surrounding of media, it's a challenge in a way to present and to place scientific topics. But on the other hand, I think it's an undiscovered wonder world. To make them discover the dimension of stories behind science is an ambition we would like to encourage.
After 5 days of workshops and debates, Daniel is now heading back to Spain with a head full of new ideas.
I've really enjoyed that because I really like how these people that have lots of experience are able to transmit it to the young journalists that we are.
Organising training for journalists on scientific topics remains a priority for the European Parliament's European Science Media Hub. It aims to facilitate information sharing between researchers, policymakers and the media.